What's up guys, it's Sammy Cheese here, back with another video. Now in today's video, I will be showing you how to share a Scratch project. Alright, so first thing you want to do, as you can see, now you can see the top of my screen, this little Scratch icon for My Stuff, or you can click on your profile and go to My Stuff. Those are two very simple and easy ways to get to your My Stuff page. Next, you want to find a project that looks like this, that is unshared. As you can see, all these projects are already shared. So, for example, my Flappy Bird one, if I click on it, now at the See Inside button, I can give it a title, a description, and a big share button pops up right here. For some reason, if you can't share your project, you need to verify something on your Scratch account. Now, if I go inside, I can actually name it and share it right here too. Another thing I will also want to show you guys is you can actually get a moving thumbnail like this, a moving profile picture, and just a normal Scratch project thumbnail. All those links will be in the description to make your project stand out and be better than the rest. Anyway guys, it's really simple tutorial. If you could subscribe, that would really help because more than 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. Anyway guys, see ya.